Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we have came here again with an interesting video to find the uh, the elements using the atomic numbers of the periodic table. So first of all, for finding the elements using the atomic number, we have to install a library named as periodic table, which is a Python library. So we know how to install it. For installing the an Python module or library, we have to use pip install and then periodic table, and when you'll run the cell or run your program, then it will take few seconds or minutes, and then in my case I have already installed it, so it is saying that requirement already satisfied. In your case it will first download it and then it will be shown that successfully installed. Now we'll start with our code. So first of all, we have installed our library, so then we have to import it in our cell. So we have to use the import keyword, import periodic table. Then I'll create an variable atomic number in which I'm going to take the input from the user for the atomic number, and I'll prompt to the user that enter the atomic number. Now I'll create an object element of this periodic table class library. Periodic table library, and then I'm going to call the inbuilt dictionary like object present in this periodic table library, that is elements. And in this elements I'm going to write this atomic number over here. Now because it is a dictionary like object, so this atomic number will be used as the key pair, and when we'll execute this code, then the value will get printed. Now for printing the attributes present in this element object, we have to print that attributes using the print function. So first of all, I'll print the atomic number. So for printing the atomic number, first I'll just write here that this is an atomic number. Okay, like this. And then I'll print using this object element. Then I'll call this attribute number, which is used for printing the atomic number. Then I'll print the symbol and that symbol. Now for printing this symbol, I'll use this object element dot, and then the attribute name is symbol for printing symbols. Then again, I want to print the name. So for printing the name, first of all, I'll print a string name, and then I'll print element dot name. The name is the attribute here for printing the name of that particular element. Now I'll print the mass, atomic mass. Now for printing the atomic mass, we have to use the attribute mass. And at last I want to print the density. So I'll print a string first, density, and then I'll print element dot density. Now here the name of that element is density, like this. Now when I'll execute the code, it will ask me for enter the atomic number. Now I'll start with the basic, that is 1. At 1 hydrogen is present, all of us know that. Okay, so there is an error. We'll fix this error. Okay, so the error is in the name. Now you'll see when I've written 1, then the atomic number 1 is getting printed. Then the symbol of hydrogen is H. The name of that element present at atomic number 1 is hydrogen. Then its atomic mass is 1.00794, and then its density is 0.0708. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.